All right, here she is, my new building. Well, I got about halfway over to that barn over there. That's the name. Well, actually, I think the property line's almost. It's like 10 feet from that side of that building. So here's the north end. We got to get rid of this tree. Now here's the entry. Well, here's the garage door on the north end. It's you can tell the whole thing's sagging. Part of it's off the foundation. The foundation is stone, and part of it's just rotted. Actually, there might not be a foundation on this side. I'm not sure. If there ain't one, we'll build one. Oh, here's. Is that it? No. Well, we'll figure something out. I don't think there's a foundation on this side. Oh, look at that. That beam used to be part of a tree. I gotta get rid of all this garbage out of here. Oh, there's an old chunk of a breaker panel there too, isn't it? No, it ain't, just a piece of junk. Let's get from the beginning here. Oh, there's my laptop with the teleconferencing setup I used today. There's a bunch of junk laying on the ground. We'll get that taken care of. Oh yeah. So this is vertical on the phone. This end's leaning. We can fix that. Oh yeah. Got hand-hewn beams. See that, or some hand-hewn railroad ties or whatever. But that's just pushed slightly off of the foundation, which is here, the old stone. Then the stone foundation goes around the back. It goes all the way around to the south end of the building. I haven't found the foundation on the east side of the building yet, but there's a bunch of garbage I need to dig through to see if I can get it. A couple of these posts fell in. We can fix that. We're gonna have to, oh, whoa, ouch. Oh, actually, somebody replaced it. Yuck. Yeah, this post is newer. We're gonna have to put something under this and timber it up and then fix this post right. Let's put these doors back on or put a wall here or whatever. All right, let's see. Give you a view of this end. You can hardly see it with the phone. Let's try this. There we go. It doesn't want to adjust right. Oh, there. That's a pretty solid. These beams going across here are two-piece. Well, actually, no. Yeah, they're two-piece. They join right there. I don't know if they expanded this at one point in time or what. But all the beams that go across, oh, you can see the outline of the tree they were cut out of, too. Neat. It's probably local lumber. She's old. So these, the ones up here are in pretty good shape. We probably want to reinforce them anyway, just because we can. And here's that side from the inside. It's, you know, just about junky old building looking, but we'll fix her up. Over here, we got to kind of work on this, because some of these are, oops, watch where I walk, there's junk everywhere. Some of these are getting kind of squirrely on me here. It looks like this part of the building is kind of up where it needs to be. And you got the foundation over here. Oh, we got to deal with this tree too. It's a nice maple tree, but it's growing into the building too hard. So it's probably going to have to go. And there's some ghetto palms and stuff over there. We got to get rid of those. This is old timbers down here rotten, but the foundation's still there, so we can use that. And you can tell everything's crooked because it's sagged and it's 100 and some years old. Oh, this is pushed clean off the foundation there. It looks like it's a solid beam, but it's, or somebody must have ran into it or something. Yeah, well, termites, maybe. Yeah, I'll probably have to get rid of those. Well, I can do that. Then, oh, huh, a bunch of doors laying there. And this end of the building's kind of sagging. This one's all screwy. Oh, check out, there's a pit. Goes all the way over to that door. That is rad. I can use that for stuff. Over here, she's pushed all the way off the foundation. We can fix that. That end is almost on, but it's, well, the middle is almost on. That's sagging pretty good too, and it's pushed out in the top. What is this? Like a VCR, some crackhead gutted. There's a tire. That's bald and dry rotted. I'm not going to be able to use that. I haven't been over here yet in this office. Okay, which boards that go across here are not going to moisturize me as soon as I walk on. I wonder how deep this is, because it's got water in it. Might either be a good pit for working on stuff, or it might end up being a water cistern. But it's kind of too in the middle of the floor to really use cleanly for that purpose. I gotta cut all this. Well, you know what? I'm gonna cut all this crap out of here today. Actually, I probably ought to leave it here because that'll discourage people from coming in here, sticking around. All right. There's the south side on the outside. I don't know what these purple marks are. There's the creek. It's all full of shit. There's the creek that's not full of anything. I don't know what all this junk is over here, but there's a tree across my creek I gotta take that out of there. I think the property line is like right about here, right on the other side of the creek. At least that's what the auditor's website shows. So you can see this from the county GIS. Let me see if I can get a straight shot of this so you can see where she's leaning. It looks like this end is on the foundation, but towards that way it's kind of leaning in. Now, the good part is, yeah, it's leaning out toward the middle and in toward the top. I've seen people fix a lot worse than that. The good news is, I haven't seen a single leak in this roof. I'm sure it probably leaks where these overlaps are screwed up, but it looks like the tin's still good. On the very edge, it's rotted a little bit, but yeah, she's solid. We can use that. So the tin should still be usable. Yeah, that feels like solid metal there. Solid enough. Punch it back down, coat it, and we'll be good as new. Oh, look at this. There's the original track for the doors. So what we're gonna do, I'm not sure if I need doors on this side or not. It's kind of, yeah, maybe, we'll see. There's a neighbor's mailbox, I think. It had a different number on it than this building should be. But there's what she is. She's got some good structure left to her, but we're gonna have to do some jacking up and some timbering to get her to where she needs to be. But I'd say not too bad. The old timbers and the old tin on the roof's probably worth what I paid for it. Well, catch you later.